In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a LinkedIn post. Whether you're looking to showcase your professional accomplishments or share insightful industry updates, embedding a LinkedIn post on your blog or website can be a powerful way to engage your audience. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to LinkedIn.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. You can use Google, Microsoft, or simply your email and password to access your account. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great way to keep your account secure, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone number. Once you've logged in and completed any necessary verification, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your avatar picture. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile to navigate directly to your LinkedIn profile page. When you are on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Activity section. This is where you can find an overview of all your recent interactions on LinkedIn. Click on Show All Posts in this section to view every post you've interacted with. This is a great way to locate that specific post you've been eager to share. Once you are in the Activity section, it's time to find that particular LinkedIn post you want to embed. Making sure to choose the right post is essential because this is what you'll be sharing on other platforms. Now, pay attention to the top right corner of the post where you'll notice 3 dots. An icon representing more options. Click on it to reveal another drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the Embed This Post option. Doing so will open a pop-up window containing the embed code for the post. This is the code you will use to embed the LinkedIn post onto another platform, such as a blog or website. To proceed, you just need to click on the Copy Code button in the pop-up window. This action will automatically copy the embed code directly to your clipboard. Be sure that the code is copied correctly, as it's what you'll paste wherever you want the LinkedIn post to appear. And that's it. You've successfully obtained the embed code for a LinkedIn post ready to be embedded onto your chosen platform. Just to recap quickly, head to LinkedIn and sign in. Navigate to your profile and click on View Profile. Scroll down to the Activity section. Locate your post. Access the More Options menu, select Embed This Post. And finally, copy the code. By following these steps, embedding a LinkedIn post should be a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.